Hi guys, if you saw the previous episode, I replaced the 2.4 gigahertz receiver that was in this rock crawler, as it calls it, on there somewhere, monster rock crawler, because I didn't have a matching transmitter. Unfortunately, the receiver kit that I put in it, which was also 2.4 gigahertz, worked for a few minutes, and then when I put the body shell back on top, I don't know what I did, I must have bent something, I don't know, but it stopped working and it wouldn't bind. Now I've checked it, there were quite a few dry joints or cracked solder joints that I've re-soldered everything, including all the little surface mount things, and it still won't work. I even tried replacing that capacitor for the simple reason that's the only easy thing to replace, and that made no difference. So I've given up. Got this cheap, cost me £1, Mini Cooper, which is 27 megahertz. Ripped the receiver board out of it, stuck it in there, so now we have a working car. I've actually got it running on a little 2S LiPo, which, well, that was running on 3 AA batteries, so 4.5 volts, 7, nearly 8 volts in there, so we're probably going to burn out these H bridges, little transistors, but it does work, so we'll give it a go. Let's do the simple forwards, backwards. Can I do this with one hand? I can't really, can I? Let's go right, left. Yeah, it works. So I'll put my hack camera on and we'll see if it does anything useful, whether we can run it outside at all, because it is very low geared, but it's also very low power. Because at this close range I can't be sure the hack camera's looking in the right direction. There's no proportional steering or proportional speed, it's just ordinary toy grade. Even when it was 2.4 gigahertz, it was no proportional. So okay, so it went up that okay. What can we do? Well, we can probably go over that little lip over there easily enough. Let's see if we can go over the rock. Missed it. No trouble over that. Yeah, it's not exactly crawling over it, is it? It's just, if we're lucky, we can bounce over it. Nah. Okay, so, well, you've seen it work. Not terribly impressive, I didn't expect much. Tiny little wires going to the motors. I'm probably going to burn it out using that 2S LiPo. I'm probably going to kill the... Ooh, they smell hot already. So I probably already killed them. Trying to make it go over there. Yeah, I think I'll let it cool down. Sticking a 2S on there was probably pushing it. But there you go. Swapping it to 2.4 gigahertz worked for about 5 minutes till the receiver decided to stop talking to the transmitter, or the other way around. This one, I've just put a 2.7 megahertz receiver in there, but I've given it a 2S LiPo, and I'm just smelling it, and it is smelling hot. So I think we're asking too much of that too. It's going a bit slow forwards. In fact, that's just stopped going forwards now. Yeah, we've burnt it out. I thought I could smell it. So they're a bit warm. We've burnt out one, I should think, of those transistors. We're trying to make it go over the bumps and stressing the motor. I won't worry about it just now. We did at least see it run for a few minutes. But that's what I tend to do to lots of my radio controlled cars, the toy grade ones. Overstress them. Stick a big LiPo in there, and you're just going to either burn out the motors or burn out the H-bridge transistors. Yeah, nothing forwards now. Backwards still okay, no forwards. Left's okay, right's okay. So, yeah, job done, rather literally, or cooked.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.